Hi there beautiful people, I have a quick tutorial for you on how to make flashing lights in Unity or flickering lights in Unity. So this is what we'll be doing in this video today, and I hope you're ready. And with that said, let's begin. Well, here I have a scene, and in this scene I have 4 planes, and these 4 planes each holding a point light. So as you can see, I also have these 2 characters from Unity's Adam project, and I'll leave a link to this in the description. And like I said, I have 4 planes, and on each plane there is a point light. And so with that said, I'm just going to select the first plane with the point light on the first plane, and I'm going to create a new C# script, and I'm going to call this you can call it whatever you want. I'll just call it this here, flicker light. Okay, let's add that. Let's say create an ad. Then once that's done compiling, we're going to add this script to all the other lights. So we're going to add this to all the other lights, so that in the end we just have to adjust the necessary settings that we'll add to the script. So I'll add to the last one here, and that's done. I'm going to click our script and open it up in Visual Studio, and I'm just going to quickly script this out for you guys here so that I don't bore you to death. And yeah. Okay, now let it compile, and once that's done compiling, we're going to make adjustments to our lights, since we added those public floats, the min time and the max time. So I'm just going to change this value here, and I'm going to call this one 0.1. the next one I'm going to say 0.2. we're going to go to the second point light, and we're going to say 0.2, 0.3. next light we're going to say 0.1, and then 0.3, and the finally last one we're going to say 0.1 and 0.2. and now we can just go into a game mode here and press play, and yeah, so this is how you make flashing lights in Unity. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.